The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. At 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, 5 unidentified criminals have escaped the St. Louis prison. Information about their criminal record or past is unknown at this present time. Remain indoors. Close and lock all doors and windows. Lock yourself in a room in your home. Turn down the volume of media outlets receiving this broadcast. If you are outside of your home, do not go searching or confronting these criminals, as you could get killed. Instead, dial 911 or go to a nearby shelter. If you are inside your home, remain indoors and dial 911. Tune into Fox 2 News at 5 p.m. for more information regarding these 5 criminals.